Customer service.
The person that inspired us was our son Cian. He's 17 now, but he would have found the whole area of shopping in the supermarket extremely challenging. Very simple idea. We took technology out of it, and less is best really when you're teaching a skill. Well, it's a visual schedule, because most of the children on the ASD spectrum learn visually. So it's just a visual shopping list. You put up your PECS, picture exchange communication it's called. It's basically having a visual schedule, and as you're going around the supermarket, take the picture exchange communication that corresponds with the grocery item and put it in the finish box, which is a very important feature of the trolley. Gradually the visual list is counting down and the child knows the activity is coming to an end, which will lower anxiety.
The name of the trolley is Autism Life Skill Friend. Life skill is a very important thing for myself and my wife, that a child like our son develops a life skill.
We're very familiar with what is difficult around any community outing, and of course going to the grocery store is a very important one for families, so it affects so many families and is so helpful for them. SuperValu were very open to hearing the kind of common difficulties that there are for children and young people coming to the store. So things like the sensory environment was a really big issue for a lot of children. We talked about dimming the lights in some areas, as especially fluorescent lights can be difficult. We talked through where the most intense sensory experiences might be, for example around the food counters, particularly hot food counters. There's a lot of different scents and smells, and that can be really difficult. So SuperValu were very open to listening and to learning around all of these things. SuperValu are really taking a lead role and going through it in a very methodical way, so I encourage other businesses to do exactly that, to think about it, to spend some time in preparation.
If it's going to enhance your child's life and make the family unit able to shop together as a unit, which should be done as a family unit, I think that should be supported.